Tired of copy-pasting information and manually sending WhatsApp messages? Let's automate that. This quick tutorial will show you how to send WhatsApp SMS through Zapier, automating your communication and saving you precious time. First, log into your Zapier account, or create one if you haven't already. Click on the Create Zap button. This will start a new workflow. Zap is Zapier's term for an automated workflow. Now, choose your trigger app. This is the app that will kick off the WhatsApp message. Common triggers include new emails in Gmail, new rows in Google Sheets, or calendar events. For example, let's select Google Sheets as our trigger app. Choose your trigger event. In the Google Sheets example, you could select new spreadsheet row. This means every time a new row is added to your specified Google Sheet, Zapier will trigger the WhatsApp message. Connect your Google Sheets account. Next, select WhatsApp as your action app. This tells Zapier what you want to do, and the trigger happens. If WhatsApp isn't directly available, you might need to use a service like Twilio or MessageBird to connect to WhatsApp through Zapier. Make sure you have an account with the service if needed. Now, set up your action. You'll need to connect your Twilio or MessageBird account. Then, specify the recipient's phone number. You can pull this number from the trigger data, like a phone number column in your Google Sheet. Craft your message. Use data from your trigger app to personalize each message. Test your Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. Click the Test Action button. If it works, you should receive a test WhatsApp message. Finally, turn on your Zap. And that's it. Now you've automated your WhatsApp messages using Zapier. Explore different trigger apps and message personalization for even more powerful automation.